Hello and welcome to another video. Today, as you can see, we're going to build an engine for in here. So the plan for today is I just got the block and a lot of parts. The plan for today is we're going to finish the engine, put everything back together. If there's enough time, we're gonna put it also in and maybe even start it if we want to work like the whole night. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, we're gonna put everything back together, and the goal for today is just to finish the engine so we can drop it in next week. That's basically the goal for today. I'm gonna show you the engine just real quick, and yeah. As you can see, there's some block insert in here. Normally this is open. It's an open deck block. We always use closed deck blocks for the race car and also other race GRs when we build engines or when engines get built. These are not completely closed deck. It's just a closed deck modification. So you just carve this out, press this one in, and level it again. That's basically the whole magic. There's a few companies that do that outside of Europe. In Europe there's not that many, but if you're going to build a high performance GR engine, that's the way to go. I say if you're sticking with below 400 horsepower or around 400, you don't need that. If you're going above 400 or 450, this will make a lot of sense. You're gonna tear apart the engine anyway, so yes, we're getting there. That's the old one. We're gonna lift the head up and everything and see where the valve got. It's laying somewhere in there. This one's nearly complete. Not completely. I still have to change some parts from the old one to the new one, and the turbo kit is also over there, and there's a lot of parts laying around. We just finished putting a lot of stuff back together. The engine is basically complete. We just have to, now it's on me to put all the bolt-ons on it, like starter, alternator, intake, exhaust, and everything. And yeah, then I have to put it in and start it up. It's, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's late. It's Monday evening, 11:15. On Saturday we also worked until like 12, something like this. And yeah, but I'm very happy. We got very far. The goal is that the car's running this week. Then next week we're going on the dyno, and the week after that is our first test day, and then 3 weeks after that it's the first race at Hockenheim. And so far so good. Hopefully everything works out like it should. I have to finish also the bodywork. My main goal for today was to put everything on the engine, which I can't do myself, like gearbox and everything. That's just too much for me, or too heavy for one person. And also the engine complete, the internals, that's not my specialty. I know the basics how to do it, but I also needed some help for that. We're now finished, and I'm really looking forward to see how that goes. I'm gonna send everything, or I'm gonna finish the video now, and you guys gonna see that, and then the next part will be how we put everything in, the first run up, dyno, and yeah, wish me luck. That's basically it for this video. You will see a lot of, or you have seen maybe already a lot of time-lapse videos, how we put everything together. And yeah, lots of fun. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.